TurboTax Deluxe 2024 Tax Software, Federal and State Tax Return, PC/Mac download. Comprehensive Tax Solutions. TurboTax Deluxe 2024 is tailored for individuals with unique tax situations, such as owning a home, making charitable donations, or managing high medical expenses. It simplifies filing by maximizing 375+ deductions and credits for federal and state tax returns. Seamless data import and accuracy. The software imports prior year tax data and W-2s from TurboTax or other tax platforms. It ensures 100% accurate calculations and provides an audit risk meter to identify potential triggers, allowing users to file with confidence. Advanced features and usability. TurboTax offers live tax advice, additional fee, US-based technical support, and easy-to-use tools like its deductible for tracking charitable donations. It also remains up-to-date with the latest tax laws for optimal results. Flexible compatibility and security. Compatible with both Windows and macOS, TurboTax Desktop is download-only, ensuring fast installations. It allows use on up to 5 devices for personal tax preparation, offering reliable security and convenience.